If a benchmark exists for the coatings and related industry, it is undoubtedly Oliver Batlle. From its 15,000 square meter headquarters in Badalona, Spain, it supplies its clients around the world with equipment for the full range of medium and high viscosity products. Exporting 80% of its production. Without this family business, with over 60 years of experience in the production of manufacturing equipment for the paint, inks and adhesive industry, nothing would be the same. Pioneers in the development of mixing and dispersing equipment for the manufacture of low, medium and high viscosity products. At the forefront in the design of grinding equipment to achieve the best fineness, transparency and gloss in the manufacture of paints and inks. Custom installations and complete solutions for dispensing and filling containers. Specialists in storage, processing, transport and dosing of solids and liquids. And of course, an R&D department which ensures the continuous improvement of all equipment and services and facilitates integral solutions. Since its creation, Oliver Batlle has executed hundreds of turnkey projects on 5 continents. Basic engineering to study and clarify the objectives of the project. Detail engineering for the development of projects, software and software development to control the installation, assembly and commissioning, executing the assembly directly or under supervision, and of course, Oliver Batlle guarantees technical assistance services, spare parts, commissioning, and repairs all over the world. Oliver Batlle, smart solutions for the coatings industry.